So today we are going to talk about advantages of nut coke in blast furnace operation. Especially we will see how it helps in reduction, gas flow, melting behavior of blast furnace. This slide also focus on the same thing, that why we use nut coke, because nut coke helps in reduction kinetics, melting, permeability and cohesive zone behavior gets easy with the help of nut coke. Now this is experimental design where 60% pellet and 40% sinter has been considered, and a nut coke is varying from 0% to 20% and 40%, and in the process we replace our regular coke. We analyze the three stages. One is indirect reduction, which generally execution of this indirect reduction at 700 to 900 degrees centigrade, and here observation of the lab scale study shows that there is a enhancement in reduction. Similarly, softening properties, if we come across in band of 900 to 1200 degrees centigrade, and here uh, the main advantages of nut coke is it keeps the voids open, and this is how in blast furnaces presence of this nut coke in ferrous burden helps in helping to assimilate the blowing wind easily. Now coming to the melting and dripping, which goes beyond 1300 degrees centigrade in blast furnace. Here also we observe that there is a lowering of melting temperature by 54 degree due to this carburization effect. And in this subsequent slide, one by one we will see these properties and its help obtained by presence of nut coke. As we can see, cohesive zone and permeability gets better, and which helps the gas flow easier, and we can say the lab outcome shows that cohesive zone narrowed by 77 degrees centigrade, which brings the pressure losses to the minimal level. That is also, we can indirectly say that gas permeability also improve, and of course the pressure drop decreases. Now coming to the carburization and dripping behavior, which is getting obtained by the carbon content increase from 2.78 to 3.49, which lowers the liquid drop temperature by 29 degrees centigrade. So the faster carburization helps in getting faster melting. As far slag and its basicity is concerned, during use of nut coke, the slag characteristics remains very stable. Basicity, of course, diluted due to presence of silica and alumina to a very slight extent. So, one of the most important outcome that is being observed due to presence of nut coke, which is about maintaining the open bed structure, which is a very important advantages of presence of nut coke. So we can say that nut coke is very cost effective in iron making. It helps in reduction kinetics, it lowers the melting point, it improves the gas flow, and it's enable coke reduction up to 40%. So we can say that nut coke in the total fuel rate coverage should be there, and if we increase in between 20 and 20 to 20%, that could give a very good result. Thank you.